Hey guys, hello to all my beautiful friends. I hope you're all feeling well from wherever you are. Thanks for watching this video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to apply your text or logo into this beautiful 80s text effect just with one click. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix today. You don't need to hire a designer or know Photoshop professionally. Just watch the video to the end and you'll see how easy it is. You can use the outcome into logos, posters, social media banners, t-shirts, whatever you like. It doesn't matter if it's personal or commercial. If you want to download this text effect, just go to hyperpix.net and get the VIP membership and access this template and hundreds of different text effects in all different styles. Don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. So let's get started with editing this brilliant style. So to edit the main text and the main layer, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In this window which appears here, just easily double click on the text layer and edit the text. Just if you pay attention, the first character and the last character are a little larger than the others. So if you want to have this exact same style, you just need to type the first and the last character separately. For example, I'm going to type midnight. I get the first character, type M, the others, night, and finally the T separately. Just as easy as it seemed. Just notice about this font which I've used here. It types the capital letters very classic and simple as you see. But if you use the lowercase letters, it types them in reverse or like symmetrical. Just some of the characters like N as you see. It doesn't matter if it's like U or V, it doesn't make a big difference. So check this out. And the O letter in capital is written like this, very special and with these special lines. So if you just don't like it, just go with the lowercase letters so you don't have them lined. So the pattern which you see here, just double click on this icon and choose your pattern. You can move it around or displace it, left or right, up and down, it doesn't matter. Wherever you feel like it looks better. Okay, and here we go. You can even enlarge the size of the font or edit the characters. So I'm done here. I just click save and wait till it's applied. Wow, as you see, it's beautiful beyond belief. This is the result, how easy it was to do just with one click in few seconds. It's excellent. So I'm going to edit the rest of the template. Just before it, from the FX folder, switch off the extrusion. It's this like 3D effect of our style because it might like bring our speed a bit down because this style is a very complicated style. Just don't worry, at the end we'll come back and we'll switch it back on to have that brilliant 3D view. So we have the adjustments folder here, which it contains the color settings, brightness settings and contrast settings in the first layer. Anyone you want, you can just click on, choose and handle the settings however you feel like it looks better. And it says totally new colors as you see. I just leave it to yourself, you know best. So we have the vignette folder here, which is this inner shadow all around our style. You can increase the opacity or decrease it however you love. You can even change the color into every single color you wish. Here we go. The next two folders is noise on and noise off. If you zoom in, we have like this noise spread all over the style because it's inspired from 80s text effect. And mostly them types of styles had like this noise on their videos and their films. So that's why our designers have used it so it'd be similar and look more professional. So you could just switch it off if you don't enjoy it. Don't forget to put noise off on so the balance of the color and contrast doesn't get messed up. So as you see, we don't have any more of that noise. So don't forget to switch both on together or don't switch both off together because it could be too bright or too dark. One of them has to be left on. So we're done with the adjustments folder. The next part is this little text we have at the bottom here. Easily you can just edit it or change the text. Just double click and type your ideal text. Here we go. You can even change the font or increase or minimize it, the size, or you can even remove it. It's all in your hands. The next part, we have the second text here, which is edited live. For example, I type my text right here, just like this. Here we go. So easy and beautiful. Bring it a little down, place it where you love. The next part is the main style of the text. We switch extrusion off from it. I just suggest you to ignore it because it contains many layers and it could put you in trouble. And our designers have worked hard on it, so just ignore it. The last folder is the background. We have some more adjustments here, which it contains this gradient from the bottom. So the background layers are totally in separate layers. The stars are separate. These mountains you see, you can adjust them or move them around. They're all in separate layers. Even the sky or the sun, which you can change the colors or any adjustments you want, you can use. You can even remove the sun, or you can keep it there where it is and change the color. So you know the best yourself. I won't get into details. So we're done here. We switch extrusion back on to have that beautiful 3D effect. Just note this, you can even control the extrusion level. For example, if you feel like it's protruding out too much and it's too deep, just lower the levels of it, like 1 or 2, as you see, or like if you still feel like it's too much, just a few more levels, lower the depth. So it's a very, very brilliant ability, which most of our products have this ability. So we're done here. Everything's in its place. Let's go and check out how to insert our logo into this beautiful style just with one click, as you saw it. So we come back to this window, insert your ideal logo. I'm going to use the Netflix logo here. I love it so much. I insert it right here, place it here, remove the other text, bring it down. We don't need it here. I'm going to insert the style of this text into Netflix logo. Just copy layer styles and apply it to the other text. And here we go, remove it now. And we adjust the pattern right here. Place it here. I think it's brilliant here, just like this. I think it's excellent. The logo's in the middle, everything's okay, so I'll just close it and click save. And totally automatic, everything's applied. So we're back here. It's so beautiful and professional. As you see, the result is excellent. And we've done all of that just with one click. I'm going to remove these two texts and switch extrusion off. Bring this a little down, edit it. Here we go. Just like this. Switch extrusion back on. And this is our final work. It's so professional and lovely. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this style, just get the VIP account of Hyperpix to access it. Don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye to our next video from Mary from Hyperpix. Bye.